How to enable biometrics for your UTS mobile application in Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can enable biometrics in your UTS mobile application. So if you will enable the biometrics for your UTS mobile application, then you will not need to enter the user and password every time you try to start a fresh session in the UTS application while booking a ticket. So this could be useful and time saving, especially if you are in a rush to book a general or a unreserved ticket. So let me guide you through the steps on how you can do this. So first open up your UTS mobile application for Android, and once the application opens up you will see an interface like this. Now in order to enable the biometrics, what you will need to do is click onto this profile button over here, and once you click onto this profile button you will see this toggle that says enable biometric. So simply click onto this enable button, and then from here it will ask you to log in your fingerprint. So if your device has a fingerprint sensor, it will ask you to register or verify yourself. So simply place your finger over to the position and verify yourself, and now here you can see that the biometric has been enabled. So if I try to enter a new session, let me close the app, and if I'll open the application again, and instead of asking for user and password, it will automatically log me in using my fingerprint instead of asking for the user and password again and again. So this could be time saving and worth the one time setup. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.